Initially, syempre, hindi natin maiiwasan. We're a coal plant eh. So, ang unang impression, madumi, wala kaming benefit na mabibigay sa community. Pero, pag nasa community kami, when we do projects, actually, nababago yung perception nila eh. Victor Persius San. I'm the CSR officer of RP Energy or Redondo Peninsula Energy Incorporated. The team focuses on engaging the community, empowering them para mag-promote kami ng community development on all those areas around the power plant. So we are looking at empowering them, tulungan sila in terms of community engagement, livelihood and skills development, education, environment and disaster risk management. So we have supported the Takbo para sa Tacloban, spearheaded by the SBMA Ecology Center para i-save yung mga giant clams natin in Subic Bay. We move beyond the basic mandate ng government sa amin, which is for power plants, it's ER 1-94 or benefits to the host communities. Ma-execute lang yon through DOE kung nag-ooperate na yung planta. What's good about this plant is we are executing CSR programs even without the plant pa operating.